Did you know that Warren Buffett sold off 134 billion worth of stocks in 2024? Yes, the Oracle of Omaha himself is making big moves. And when Buffett moves, the world listens. The world listens. But here's the real question. Is he predicting a major market crash? If so, what does it mean for your investments? Stay tuned because this could change everything for your financial future. Warren Buffett is not just any investor. He's one of the greatest of all time. His warnings and insights have shaped the stock market for decades. And right now, he's raising the alarm once again. In today's video, we'll break down exactly what Buffett is predicting and why he's making these bold moves. And most importantly, what you should do about it. The market has been on a roller coaster. Inflation, interest rate hikes, global conflicts, and banking crisis have all contributed to a fragile economic environment. Buffett has been quietly pulling it back from market, stockpiling cash instead of making bigger investments. He has cut his stakes in multiple companies. Berkshire Hathaway's cash reserves has grown significantly and are now at a record of almost $325 billion, which was recorded as December 24. He recently warned that US economy is slowing down and corporate earnings are under pressure. These are not small signals at all. When Buffett takes a defensive stance, it's time for all of us to pay attention. Buffett has always been a long-term investor, favoring undervalued stocks and businesses with stronger fundamentals. But here's the twist. Right now, he is not buying aggressively like he usually does during downturns. Instead, he is sitting on a massive pile of cash. But why? Because he believes that the market is overvalued and due for a correction. Many businesses are struggling with high debt and lower consumer demand. Interest rates are making it harder for companies to grow. And what is his strategy? Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. And right now, he seems to be fearful. So, what should we do next? Warren Buffett's biggest warning right now is the market is unpredictable and many people are not prepared for what's coming. He has cut exposure to financial stocks, pulled back on tech investments, and is hoarding cash. In his latest shareholder meeting, he said, "There are some things happening in the economy that are causing to be cautious. You don't want to be caught off guard." The crash may not come tomorrow, but Buffett is preparing for a serious downturn. Are you, and what can we learn from Buffett's warning? See, Warren Buffett's success isn't built on a luck, okay? It was built on discipline, patience, and deep understanding of how markets moves and market cycles. So, when he makes moves, we should all pay close attention. Here's how you can apply his wisdom to protect and grow your wealth in uncertain times. Stay cautious. Don't overextend yourself in risky investments. The biggest mistake investors make during market highs is getting too greedy. Buffett has always warned against chasing the hype or investing in overvalued stocks. Just because everyone else is doing it, history shows that markets always correct themselves, and those who are over leveraged get a hit the hardest way possible. Instead of blindly following trends, analyze your portfolio and reduce exposure to speculative assets. Build up cash reserves so you can invest when the right opportunity comes. Buffett isn't hoarding over 325 billion in cash for no reason. He understands that when a market correction happens, prices of great companies will fall, and that's the time to strike. If you are all in on the market, you won't have the liquidity to buy when the stocks go on sale. Keep cash on hand so when the opportunity arises, you can invest like Mr. Buffett. Focus on quality stocks with stronger fundamentals. Buffett doesn't chase short term gains. Instead, he invests very wisely in companies with strong balance sheets, competitive advantages, and long term growth potential. Ask yourself one thing: would you still be confident in this particular stock if the market still drops or the stock drops by 30% tomorrow? Does the company have a strong moat? Does the company still hold a stronger fundamental value? Is it profitable, well managed, and built for long term success? This is the time to review your investments and ensure you're holding companies that will survive and thrive even in a downturn. Buffett's playbook isn't about fear, it's about patience. He is not worried about what will happen next few months. He's focused on one bigger picture. And the question is, are you willing to play the long game just like him? Now is your moment to decide. You will panic like masses, or will you prepare like Mr. Buffett? Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Buffett is right? Will we see a market crash soon, or is this just another false alarm? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you and see you in the next one.